Hey, Merry Christmas. Let me put a couple of sticks of firewood on there. So you like the light little sticks, something like about that size when you cook, just to get the heat up. So I'm going to cook English breakfast Christmas morning. So I'll open up the flue and that helps with the smoke not coming into the home. Open the door slowly. Pop that on there. There we go. No smoke, that's nice. Close our flue. We're going to get our little Christmas gloves ready. Oh yeah, nothing like the old safety gloves, because we're going to be cooking with a cast iron skillet. And pop that right on there. We got the bacon, sausages, well, just one sausage. Yeah, I know it ain't the British bacon. Out here it's hard to get British bacon because they love their tenderloins. You know, the Americans with their tenderloins, and oh, how they smoke them and cook them, that's really good too. So we got like what you would call streaky bacon, yeah, in England. I'd call it the same thing. But anyways, we're gonna just let that get up to heat. While that's getting up to heat, you see, I'm gonna get prepared with my pan of beans. Got myself some pan of beans, see a little bacon in the pan there, right there. So we'll pop that on the warmer. We'll actually cook it at the same time. So it's nice to have a trivet. The trivet kind of allows the heat to come through and keeps everything really, really super warm. But while you're cooking, just to start to cook, you put it in the centre. It's nice to have a little fan coming out too. Oh yeah, we're doing pretty good. I'm just checking on the mushrooms and things. Let me come over here. We're going to grab ourselves a... Got to get past the dog though. So we're getting ready with our mushrooms and our tomatoes. Okay. Oh yeah, the beans are warming up nice. Oh yeah, you got those beans warmed up nice. I'm gonna put them on the centre a little bit more and just warm those up a little bit more. Now we've got the bacon cooked. Looking good. The way I like it. I like a nice crispy bacon. Not everyone likes crispy bacon, but the reason I put the beans off the trivet is it's nice to be able to get the warmer. So this is the warmer that we have right here. It warms the plates. It doesn't get very hot, just a nice warm temperature. And what we're going to do is take off our bacon. Reminds me of Lord of the Rings. We love crispy bacon, you know. I do. I enjoy a little bit crispy, but most people say, man, you overcook that bacon. But I like crispy bacon. Just the way I am. Everybody's different, aren't they? So now we're putting that bacon there, see? And I got it on a paper towel, you know, and it's on a trivet. Everything's safe. And then the warmer, it doesn't get much above. Oh, sausage is looking good. Just needs the one more side. Look at that, see? Pop that sausage back on there. And then it'll be going on the warmer too. Oh yeah, that sausage came up good. Like I said, it's nice and crispy. Look at that, that's a nice sausage right there. So, see the fat coming off though. Got a little bit more fat in my pan that I needed. Because of the bacon, because of the sausage. We'll pop that up in the warmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start ready for my mushrooms. Start ready for my tomatoes. I've got to get rid of some of this oil. Put it in the old pan. There you go. Just enough to cook our... Going to move the beans over here. They're doing good too. Look at those beans cooked, nice. Smoky beans. Okay, we're up to temperature. Now we're going to get hold of our tomatoes, our mushrooms, and we're going to pop those in there too, see? Just like that. Nice. We're going to position those around a little bit. Yeah. Just move them about a little bit on the pan. Oh, look at that, how that sizzles. We'll close the warming door and just carry on cooking. And oh, there was something else, you know, that I was thinking about. People are asking me about, oh, what do you know about the stove? Are you learning new things? Oh, we're learning new things every single day. The amazing part is that this particular stove is it's very easy to cook on. But you know, you never know when you need hot water. And the beautiful thing about this stove, we'll just pop that there, is that we have a stainless steel water heater right here with a faucet. And the main tube that goes down to the chimney is one that heats that water. Oof, it's hot, I tell you. Man, you pour that water out, you can fill a hot water bottle. I mean, my wife loves British hot water bottles. And at the same time, we want to put hot water into something, make whatever it might be. Hot water just comes, boom. And we've got 17 gallons. We just keep it filled. As we take out, we put in. And we have a kettle, you know, get the old kettle going all the time for the tea. But it's handy having 17 gallons of hot water consistently. Let me just get rid of this little fat bowl over here. I'm going to pop that over here safe, we don't want any accidents. And like I said, the tomatoes are coming along good. Let me just rearrange my mushrooms a little bit. Yeah, got to rearrange those little guys. Oh yeah, everything, oh, it's starting to smell so good. Oh, you know, living in the States, especially in Kentucky, you know, you kind of improvise. It's nice. We've got a wood source. We do our best. We're low budget people. Hey, if we had a couple of $1 million, maybe we'd still live like this. Because I enjoy the lifestyle. I enjoy the countryside. I enjoy watching the chickens out in the field. Me and Chippy, we just love running around. Oh, you should have seen him out in the snow yesterday. Oh, what a blast. That guy going crazy in the snow. He's what they call a
he's a golden doodle.
He's a golden doodle, which is retriever and poodle. So thick coat on him. Anyways, maybe my wife will put up a little video of me and him playing out there in the snow when I'm smoking a cigar. So I'm now checking on my beans again. Keep an eye on everything, you know. You don't want it all cooking. See the steam coming off of that? That's because I had it in the corner. Very, very hot. A little bit too hot right now. I don't want the beans sticking in a stainless steel pan with a little bit of the old bacon in there, see? So now I'm going to stick those on the trivet. And that just keeps them warm, just like it does with our warming. Got the other one over here if we really needed to, you know. Anyways, so here we got the old fried bread. I just emptied out a lot of the grease and oil. I don't like it too fried. And I put the tomatoes, mushrooms, sausage, bacon up in the warmer. So they're all nice up in there. Like I say, it's a full English breakfast. That's what we call it in England. Just going to stir my beans, make sure they're not sticking. Oh, look at that, they're just perfect. Simmer. Not even a stick on it. Perfect temperature, look at the steam coming off of those. Very nice. All right then. So now we need to get our fresh farm eggs and break those in. But first off, what I like to do first is just heat up that fat just a tatty. Put that right there, see? That will take a couple of seconds. Doing the fried bread too. Get that nice toasty warm. So what I'm going to do is a double thing. I know the hottest part of the stove is all the way across the back because of the flue. The front can get warm, but not as hot as the back. So I'm going to transfer my fried bread all the way to the very back, and I'm going to bring my egg pan forward. Got one of those special Teflon things on a stainless steel handle. Ingenious, some of this new stuff. So anyways, just getting that warmed up on the fat. Moving my fried bread to the back. Oh, look at that. Yeah, starting to come in. Oh, starting to toast. Starting to toast. Nice sourdough, that one. My wife made that bread for me. Very nice. Okay then, so now we got everything sorted. I think got oil. Yep, just before it starts smoking too much, gonna get that egg, pop that in there. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Always 2 egg man. Man, they got tough shells, especially with these country chickens. Man, look at the colour of those yolks. I mean, they are so golden yellow, it looks like sunshine in the morning. Perfect for breakfast. So as they're cooking up nicely, I see my pan is smoking a little bit. So I'm just going to make sure that we got that bread fired up nicely. I'm going to move this over to the centre. Going to move this one over to here just to get that nicely fired up. Fried bread. They get hot and friery. Oh yeah. Oh hello, you're back. Doing real well. Everything's in the warmer. Look at these eggs just cooking nice and slow. That's the way I like them. Got my fried bread going nicely. I'm just going to flip that just to see where I'm at. Oh, look at that. I know I'm British. Fried bread. Who does that anymore? Got the HP sauce too though, ready to go with the eggs, sausage. Oh, tell ya. Oh, my wife bought me a little set of glove. Nice, isn't it? Christmas time. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fried bread in the warmer, because that's where I'm going to set the eggs on top of that. See, that's the way I like to do it for Christmas. So put that right there, see. Now I'm going to set this pan on a trivet. Wife's got trivets all over the place. I guess that's what they're called, whatever these things are. Amazing, really. Metal things, ceramic, I don't know. Great. So now I want to get my eggs, and we're going to flip those in the pan because I like them sunny side up, but they've been cooking for a while right now. And what helps me when I'm cooking eggs, I know over here we've got to be about 425. Notice the difference on the sound. All of a sudden now it's kicking in real quick, isn't it? Over here, hardly anything. See the temperature gauge? I've got the temperature gauge at 415, 425. Over here is about 350. 350 real quick, see? Now all I have to do is flip these eggs in. 1, 2, keep them moving though. Oh, got to keep them moving. Yep, got one broken egg. Oh well, not the best at egg making. Got it going on, so there you go. So now she's nice and cooked on both sides. Had a little splatter come out. You can see where the fat is. You've got to keep an eye on everything. Don't want everything burning. Still looking pretty good though. So what I'm going to do is stick this on the other trivet just for a second while it keeps cooking. I want to get my plate out, which means I've got to free up this trivet. Put the beans back over here, see? Because everything is super, super, super hot. Yep. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's breakfast. Got my tomatoes. That's the way I like them. Over fried. Got nice crispy mushrooms. Got my banger. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. Couldn't get the blood pudding. Man, if I'd had blood pudding, and maybe someone could send me some. Can't get it out here. Love that stuff. It's a sausage's best friend. I've then got my crispy bacon and I've got my beans. So let me put my eggs on there, the way I like them. I like them on the toast. There's one over that side, see? And there's the other one on that side right there, see? Oh, look at that. So you've got to make a little bit of room. Just, oh, watch out, that bacon's creeping off. Don't want it falling off. Yep, make a little bit. Oh, there's a spot for the beans, see? Put this back on the trivet. Oh well, glad I finished with that. Here's our new spoon. Oh, look at those. No stick, look at that, perfect. No stick at all, look at that. Get my beans on this. Oh, look at that spoonful. That's a nice spoonful of beans right there. Yep, perfect, 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 perfect. And there you go. Now, I'm going to pop this pan right here. I'm going to roll this tray over. There we go. Oh, there's the old brekkie, ready to go. And get this pan up on the trivet, out of the heat. Wonderful. We'll have a Merry Christmas, just the way I cook. First time learning how to cook English breakfast, full English breakfast, on a wood burning stove.